welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. My name is Keira, and that is little Lisa that you guys see running around. But in today's video, it's going to be cheap, not spending any money activities, outdoor activities with your child. I feel like we get caught up with these iPads and these screens. I know y'all, lately I've been the same way. Alyssa's been on her iPad so much lately, like it's insane, and I feel really bad, like as her parent, that she's just inside on a dang iPad all day. But I was like, you know what, for Christmas we're gonna make sure we get her a lot of like outdoor activities or outdoor things for her to do or whatever. But right now we're just in the backyard. I mean, I know everybody don't have a backyard. We're actually staying with family right now. If you guys haven't seen our vlog, we had to completely move out of our apartment, but we're staying with family right now, and they have a backyard, and they also have this little house for Alyssa in the backyard. So that's what I'm doing now, just cleaning it out, because the house stays outside literally all day. So I was just cleaning out the spider webs and stuff like that, y'all, okay? But yeah, if you don't have a backyard, I feel like you can still do this, because even when we were in our apartment, I still sometimes made sure, you know, I went outside. Even if we took a walk around the apartment complex, picked flowers, just any little thing you can do to get them outside. Just get them outside. You don't have to have a backyard, because you can make it happen without it, okay? But yeah, I'm just cleaning out her house for her to play in here, and yeah. Okay, so while her house was drying off, she found her ball outside as well. So she just started playing with her ball outside while I was still like fixing up around the backyard. I didn't want her to like hurt herself or nothing or anything like that. But and then she tossed her ball over the fence, y'all. And I'm gonna just let y'all know right now ahead of time what happened. I tried to jump the dang fence and I fell. Yeah. It didn't look like a far fall, but child, I don't know what made me think. I don't know what I was trying to do, but I was trying to get the ball and I fell. I just fell, y'all. I was like, oh my gosh. I had a little bruise on my wrist and everything from this fall. I'm like, oh my god, I'm too old to not be knowing how to jump a fence. And then it's a low fence, and I could not get back over it. Y'all could not get back over the fence, so I had to wait till he come back with the key for the gate, y'all. I was like, oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. I say, Alyssa, make sure you do not throw this ball back over this fence, okay? So once he came with the key and stuff, she just continued to play with a ball. I mean, it's obviously another outdoor activity, just playing ball with them by themselves or whatever. We ended up playing together after I finished picking up everything in the yard. But yeah. She found this little sticky note in the yard. I don't know where she found that, but she found it, and then we just started playing baseball with it. She took a turn, and then I took a turn. Another simple, quick, easy activity. I mean, you don't have to go out and buy all the you know, baseball, basketball, all that stuff. I mean, just use what you got, because I definitely was not about to go buy that. But she found it, and I was like, oh, why not? Let's play baseball or whatever, you know? Okay, so now she's in her house. Yeah, she absolutely loves to play restaurant. So I'll tell her, she'll ask me what would I like to eat, and I'll just make up whatever, and she'll pretend to cook it or whatever, and she can like do this for, I think we were out here for like a good 30 minutes just doing the kitchen thing, because she loves playing kitchen, restaurant, or whatever. But another simple activity, even sometimes when we go to the park, we pick up like grass from off the ground and act like it's, and pretend like it's food, you know, like we used to do when we were younger. But just another quick simple activity, you know, just having them outside, even if you guys don't have a house or anything. Literally just sit on the grass, lay out a blanket, and pretend to play food or whatever. I mean, you gotta, you know, make it work with what we got.
Lemonade. Waffles.
Oh yeah, waffles is good.
Oh, what about pie?
Yep, I would like some pie too.
Okay.
Pie and waffles, please.
Okay. It's cooking for 3:25 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, another quick and simple outside activity is riding a bike, of course. Bikes, scooters, skates, I mean, whatever they have. Like I said, Alyssa got this for Christmas, so I just wanted a bunch of activities that we can do outside, a bunch of gifts for Christmas that we can do outside. So made sure she had a bike so she can go outside, ride her bike. She also has a scooter. And yeah, so I'm just teaching her how to ride her bike. Oh my gosh, y'all, the most complicated thing is teaching a child how to ride a bike. Y'all, you got to teach them how to pedal, and then you got to teach them to steer. When I say so hard, I mean so hard, y'all. And yo, my baby fell off the darn bike. I mean, she was doing good, and she was pedaling and pedaling and pedaling, and like she was doing good, y'all. So I thought she had like the groove of it, and so I tried to give her a little snug, and then boop, she fell off the bike, and I felt so bad. Oh my gosh. I felt so bad, y'all. I was like, oh my god, it's okay, baby. But then I held her and I picked her up and stuff, and just, you know, I just told her, you know, sometimes you fall, but you just have to, you know, get back up and try it again. That's the process of learning how to ride your bike or your scooter or whatever. You know, give her a little hug and stuff like that. Checked to see if she had a little bobo, but she was okay. Walked it off. She was fine, but child, my baby then I won't get back on that bike, okay? So I'm gonna make sure you guys have helmets and knee pads, all that good stuff, okay? But like I said, she didn't want to get back on the bike, so we started to play with her car. She also got for Christmas a bunch of outside activities for Christmas, you guys. So we just started playing with her car outside, and that was that. She loved playing with her car, so yeah. Okay, my final outdoor activity is going to be the park, of course. I mean, it's free, it's cheap. I mean, I know some parks have like snowball stands and stuff like that, but it's free, y'all, and it's outside. Of course, they have playgrounds and stuff like that. This is our city park, so it's like huge. We walked the trail, went to the playground. She picked flowers. We went seeing the ducks. I mean, like the whole 9 yards, okay? And she just had a lot of fun. You know, just being outside and stuff like that. And that's just what I strive to do more with this new year. Just having her outside more. Just doing more things, even if it don't cost money. You know, just not having her in front of the screens literally all day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any ideas, just leave them in the comments down below. We're the Mommy Gang. If you have ideas for me, share them, or any other moms, just go ahead, girl, leave them in the comments down below. Don't be scared. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.